Hello and welcome to this YouTube video. We'll be talking about HackerRank. HackerRank is a website used for practicing for coding interviews, for job seekers, and for companies. It is used for hiring good match or good developers for your company. So I'll be walking us through how to register and practice for coding interviews in HackerRank. So just click on sign up. You enter your name. And then you enter your password. So what are you here to do? Prepare for job interviews. You can either choose you're a student or a working professional, so I'll just choose this. Let's say for 4 years. Okay, let's say in 3 months time. I think I prefer the dark mode. You can either choose your dark mode or your white mode. Alright, I'll choose dark mode and I'm right in. So you can see after having registered, you are presented with your screen. So here you can select the programming language you want to work on and then the topic you want to also work on. So I'll be starting up with Python. So I will just go ahead and click on Python. And so you have to start with the challenges that are presented you. So the first one is the Hello World challenge. So you just click on this and you're expected to read the instructions on this left side. And the instructions said, here is a simple line of code that can be executed in Python. Print hello world. You can just as easily as store a string in variable and then print out. The above code will print hello world on your screen. Try it out in the editor below. Input format. You do not need to read any input in this challenge. So the instruction is telling you that you have to print a hello world. It's just like the introductory text you always write in programming. And so you come over to this editor side. You select the Python that you are working with, Python 3, whichever one. And then you ensure that what is at the output is what you get when you run the code. So I'll write hello world. Notice I did not put comma. And now if I click on run code, let's see what it shows. You can see it's telling me that the answer is wrong. It's wrong answer. The reason is because there was no comma. And so you can see my output is hello world. The expected output is hello, comma, world. So I'll go back to the code and I'll add a comma here. And when I click on run now, it should be correct. So you can see, congratulations, you passed the simple tests. Hello world, hello world. So I'll click on submit code and I'll be ready for the next challenge. So congratulations, you've been able to register on HackerRank websites and you are completed the first print hello world challenge. We'll go over to the next challenge.